Let's go there again, eh? Me uge mi de kwolo yege. Huh? Me uge mi de kwolo yege. Okay, me wadudi, wo me wa udova. Oshare lo gaga, emu cheruwe, emu riworuwe. Tibli rebu no se vasune, me uge mi de kwolo yege. Let me just tell you what all of this means. Me uge. I am the trumpet, and when I blow, he blows yege. So he blows yege. And when I'm okay, more do the say when I'm drinking champagne, when I'm drinking NSC, when I'm drinking my fruit juice, when I'm drinking what do you call it? Ever wine. Actually, I don't really drink NSC. No. I don't drink alcohol, but I'm not against it. But I don't drink it. You understand? See, when I'm drinking all of this, you'll be giving me most times actually you go let's talk about that. Let's not talk about it. For others working, what do you know? Is a Gogoro the man was actually talking about. See, for me, I want to far you eulogize me. And you will be saying, Oshare lo Gagan, you strong man, you rich man. See, nothing will happen to you. See, in one way. See, before something can happen to you, you read the bonus, you read your enemy, or say your friends, or your lovers. See that before anything can happen to you, it means that your enemy already more than your lovers. That's the only time. Before something can do you. What this means is that as an individual, in whatever you do, be at peace with all men. If God bless you, not rubber for person face. Instead, use something do the person pancake. Let the person feel it. You understand? Even if you cannot help someone, still have that empathy. Don't oppress people for no reason. Be at peace with people. Be at peace with people. Because I remember some time ago, I grew up in a village. It's not everything that a elder says in the book that will come and tell you out here. Understand? But you have heard several people saying that this person wanted to kill this person, but because of what this person did for me, and I stopped him. You understand? That is what we used to hear back in the day. So even when the devil is having their meeting, somebody will be there to represent you. And you're not there, you're not part of them, but because that's who you be. One day you have bought something for someone. One day you just say hi, just simple greeting. You know, some people, especially back when the trouble, they will feel now. In the carry. They say, "Who can be toto? If that one a kawa gayene, who they me boss." I mean, you but Robotani, there's a more kiri way. Call you bring away or Bruno Silly. Was you bring away Bueno Silly? The Bible telling me, be at peace with all men, so that they will glorify your Father through you. These are well maintained. Copy your plan. Hey, you're doing well.